Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to pin a Chrome extension to the toolbar in Google Chrome so you can access it instantly with just one click. Let's jump right in. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see a small puzzle piece icon near your profile picture. Click on that puzzle piece icon. This opens a drop-down menu showing all the Chrome extensions you currently have installed. In the Chrome extensions list, you'll see a pin icon next to each extension. To pin a specific Chrome extension to your toolbar, click the pin icon next to the extension's name. For example, I'll pin the Page Sidebar and Turn Off the Lights Chrome extensions. You'll see them instantly appear in the toolbar. If you no longer want to see a specific extension in the toolbar, click the pin icon again to remove it. Just like that. Now, with a single click on your chosen extension, it will perform its action. For example, the Page Sidebar extension will open my side panel. Once pinned, the extension's icon will immediately appear in the Chrome toolbar at the top. That's it. And that's how you pin a Chrome extension to the toolbar in Google Chrome. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick and easy tech tips. Thanks for watching.